Hi, let's know 25 facts about me.
Okay, let's start from the top. My name is Mansi, and I was born and brought up in Bombay. I'm a Marwari, but in 25 years of life, no one has ever thought of me as a Marwari in the first go. I was 4 years old when I started dancing. My grandfather loved classical, and that's the reason he decided to put me into Bharatnatyam. Not just Bharatnatyam, I have performed hip hop, Bollywood, and basically, I love dancing. It just makes me feel so good. आई एम अ होपलेस रोमांटिक एक फूल भी दे दो तो मैं खुश हो जाती हूँ बहुत लो मेंटेनेंस हूँ मैं यार व्हाट टू डू ठंड मुझसे बर्दाश्त होती नहीं है सो येस आई विल से आई एम अ बीच पर्सन लव द एस्थेटिक्स ओवर हियर परफेक्ट I love trying new food. But yes, my comfort food will always be my mom के हाथ का दाल चावल. It's the best thing ever. एक अच्छी हैबिट है मेरे में कि मैं सुबह जल्दी उठ जाती हूँ क्योंकि 12 बजे के बाद मुझसे जागा नहीं जाता अनलेस आई एम रियली आउट देयर इन क्लबिंग आई विल वेक अप ऑन टाइम फॉर श्योर My biggest pet peeve is when people eat with their mouths open. Just don't. I really can't deal with that. एनिमल फ्रेंडली में हूँ नहीं बट सबसे ज़्यादा डर मुझे सांपों से लगता है दो बहुत सांप पाले हैं मैंने लाइफ में बट वाइल शूटिंग दिस आई एक्चुअली फाउंड अ डेड स्नेक एंड ट्रस्ट मी आई वाज पैनिकिंग आई लव पंजाबी म्यूजिक मानसी एंड पंजाबी म्यूजिक इज द बेस्ट कॉम्बिनेशन एवर I hate kids, but trust me, I love my nieces. And the green flag boa guys.
A lot of people don't know this, but Mansi's first career choice was always to be a doctor. She was really good at biology, but extremely scared of blood. That's why she didn't consider it.
I truly believe in manifesting. I feel अगर तुम सच्चे दिल से कोई भी चीज़ चाहो लेट होगा but you will definitely get it. So always manifest the best for yourself.
So the one addiction that my Didi proudly has is definitely shopping. She can literally shop anywhere at any time. Shoes, bags, clothes, you name it and she has got it all. Like literally she has got it all. Also she hates offline shopping. But online store से वो literally पूरा का पूरा store खरीद सकती है.
I hate traveling by flights because I have sensitive ears and sometimes my ears bleed as well. But yes, anyone who has sensitive ears will relate to me. Hate flight journeys.
So Didi has this habit of cleaning everywhere and anywhere she goes. I mean, she can't sit at peace if she doesn't clean. I think she was a maid in her previous life. Just kidding.
I can't draw at all. मैं एक circle भी खुद से नहीं बना सकती. In school, I used to literally skip my art classes. I used to lie and say that मेरा पेट दुख रहा है और I have to go home. The only subject I have skipped like anything was art, and all my drawings were either done by my mom or my cousins because I can't draw at all.
Didi is very religious and her favorite festival is Ganesh Chaturthi. Every year on the day of Visarjan, she actually cries. And whenever she is traveling, she always has a Chotu Banu traveling along with her.
Anyone who knows me knows that I have two fears driving and swimming. I don't know how to swim, so I literally panic in water, be it a pool of a villa or anywhere. I literally panic. Last year, when I went to Thailand with my brother, I didn't even step out of the boat. But this year, anyhow, मैंने कहा 2025 है कुछ तो तूफानी करते हैं आई एक्चुअली ट्राइड स्नॉकलिंग एंड इट वॉज ब्यूटिफुल आई विल रिकमेंड एवरी वन टू ट्राई स्नॉकलिंग इवन इफ यू डोंट नो हाउ टू स्विम ट्रस्ट मी यू जस्ट नीड अ गुड इंस्ट्रक्टर and it's just magical. I wanted to do a scuba also, but that was the same day I was flying, and by now you guys know I have sensitive ears and scuba में बहुत pressure build होता है कान में. So do snorkeling and scuba the day you land anywhere, like you know first day वो करना, not last day. Snorkeling is फिर भी fine if you do last day, but not scuba because scuba में तुम बहुत थक जाते हो. Unfortunately, I don't have pictures of me snorkeling, but I have a picture right after I did snorkeling, which I'll insert here. But it was magical and I'm so happy I actually did that. And when it comes to driving, I'm finally driving, guys. You know, from passenger princess, I'm promoted to being a driver. Not yet, fully 100%. I have my friend who's helping me drive around the city. The day I can drive without him is the day when, you know, I'll be like, guys, aajo meri gaadi mein baith ja. Aajo meri gaadi mein baith ja.
Mansi loves drama and her life has way too much drama as well. She's a big time Bollywood kida and has dressed up as Naina for a Bollywood theme party.
If overthinking was a sport, trust me, I would have a gold medal in that. हर सिचुएशन का बेस्ट और वर्स्ट में एनी हाउ फिगर आउट कर लेती हूँ एंड मेरी ओवरथिंकिंग की कैपेसिटी इज बियॉन्ड सो इफ यू आर समवन हु ओवरथिंक्स लाइक मी, योर बेस्टीज.
Hi guys. So a fun fact about Mansi would be that she's the biggest fattu you will ever meet. Her first horror movie was Haunted and she ended up having fever for 3 straight days. So I mean, horror and haunted movies don't go hand in hand at all.
As a kid, I always thought that I'm an extrovert. But few years ago, I realized that I'm actually an ambivert. I love meeting new people, but at the same time, after some time, my social battery actually dies and I want some time to myself. So yes, I think ambivert suits me the best.
Yeah. So two facts about Mansi. The best way to piss her off is when you do not reply to her. Nothing pisses her off more when someone leaves her on red. And the second is, if you have managed to piss her off, well, the best way to pataify her is just send her a box of sweets. She loves mithai, so yeah, just send her a box of sweet pancakes or waffles, and that will just redeem you, and she'll even forget that she was mad at you. And I use these two tricks a lot. Don't tell her.
So these were 25 random facts about me, and if you could relate to even one fact, do let me know in the comment section below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, you know the drill. Like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye, take care.